Hello everyone, welcome to another helpful video. If you are using Realme P3 Lite and want to use split screen or multi-screen, then this video is for you. Today we will talk about split screen features on this device. So before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Now let's start today's video.